Yeah, people, so watch you know. You don't know. It's your boy Grizzly Bear vibes. So, today are the day. Yeah, today is the day. The Great Crab Circle opening. You know? So, you know it's gonna be a big thing around here. You see me, I say, I don't know if BBC are gonna appear, the helicopter, them are gonna show out and be sitting. You see me, I say, you know them news station, the NBC and them, yeah. Me don't know, because that one is global. The Great Crab Circle is going to be reopened, my people. You know what I mean? With all sanitations implicated. So you don't know, one little bathroom I got around there, so with one toilet. Yes, man, a face base now sitting. Round there, so you can wash your hand them and properly sanitize yourself after any farmer. You know what I say? Lateral behavior. So, I want to know your views. Because I want to know who are going to reach down the first. You know what I mean? Artist, civilian, politician, you know, civil worker. I don't know. Mother, father, sister, brother. Who first are going to reach down there? You know what I mean? Because everybody ready up, you know. I remember, you know, Crab Circle is a circle of crab all outer season. So, you know them people in the backyard loaded right now. Because them have been selling in the crab for the past, you know, couple months, a month, you know what I mean, couple weeks. And I want to really check the statistics, you know what I mean, round there. And when I talk about round them, I talk about round the back. Because the people them now ramp with the crab business. You know what I mean? One crab have all 100 crab, you know. Yeah, man, say if you have all, you know, 3 human crab and all a 1 man crab is a colony. A crab you have. So if a body colony supposed to ram cham and pack, you know what I mean? You know all them big claw one there? Yeah. Round there. A grow over time. That like extra growth there. Yeah. So you're supposed to fat. You know what time of the year now? You feel the breeze? As evening come, the place get cold. As evening come, you feel the chill. Just turn on the fan. You know, say, a Christmas. So the crab circle could never lock down in the season of giving. Come no man, people, comment, man, and come make we have a conversation. The season of giving, the seasoning when in the pot, and the seasoning when they pan the crab, plus the season where come, all marinate together. You see what I say? So right now, the people them are going to open up at the crab circle so the people them can go down there and get them crab leg and them crab claw, them crab back, bust open and, you know what I mean? And me know can down there. Yeah, because I just crab alone. Can of sidings and some other little finger food and them something there. So me want to know from you, my people, who first I go down there? Who? Are you? Are you? Are you first I go down there? Alright, watch out. If you're not subscribed yet, you're new over here. And the first day I hear that voice, yeah. Yeah, man, would I really appreciate love the subscribe. Yeah, man. And then me I tell you, me I remind you to hit the bell. So you get all of the latest updates. You see me I say? And uploads. Yeah? So just do that something there. Yeah, man, Reggae Vibes Media, the world media, man. So there I make you know so the crab circle like a bus. Yeah, man, the crab circle like the bus. And the crab them grow. You know what I mean? The crab them fatter. You can't feel disgruntled. You see me I say? Yeah, and at a point, that lady there with the video there. Yeah, we would send out the video there and get the thing viral. At a point, me she they appeal. Yeah, she they appeal to the Prime Minister and they appeal to the brother they were run the sanitation around here. And I beg, you know what I mean? And I say, yeah, I beg you do send back Alice round there. I beg you to give her a chance. You know, send back Alice round there and thing. So, again, that goes to show, say, you have good Jamaicans same way. And I like she eat Alice and she not like her. You see me, I say, It's just the fact that say she there do something where she don't like. You know what I mean? Yeah, that salt, that beer and salt something there, and then the bucket afterwards and then type of thing there. And when you watch out some video, you see Alice broke all the crab leg off and them that type of thing there, and all feed all people and all these things. You know what I say? So she never feel good about it. And then she there next door and I like say she the 2-star down. And then who would have the next door and see all that I really work with that boy? You'd have classify as the same. So today, you know, people. Yeah, today, that day, yeah, today. The crab circle are gonna open up. The season of giving. So expect to get couple crab leg and crab claw. You know what I mean? And that pepper water thing there, so I say, well spicy and sitting. So, it's your boy Grizzly Bear. Yeah, man, I'm so in the pepper hot, man. It's your boy Grizzly Bear. You don't know it's the world media in Reggae Vibes Media. Yeah, man. Crab circle open today. Who first I go down there? See the people, crab circle open today. Yeah, we're gonna be the first customer. Or can it just be a 9-day wonder? Answer me, no, man. I know what I go on, you see it.